I want to show you how you can copy my $100,000 per month framework and how I quit my 9-to-5 job. Now, I've been super blessed and fortunate to quit my 9-to-5 job about 4 years ago in March of 2020. And all I could say after quitting my job is it's the ultimate freedom. And this is the freedom that I want for every single person that watches this video. Now, that being said, I'm going to show you guys this framework, this blueprint that helped me get to $100,000 per month promoting different products. Now, the cool thing is I'm going to show you how you can do this as a complete beginner, just starting out, no following, no email list, because that's exactly how I started. I literally had no followers anywhere on any social media platform. And I want to show you how you can get started with this system. Now, before we actually get into the blueprint and the framework, I want to motivate you. I want to get you guys excited. Plus, I want you to understand that I'm actually doing what I'm teaching. So let me show you. Now, I want to show you how multiple companies are paying me as an affiliate. So as you can see in this account, which is from Digistore24, over $262,000 here. Now, for those who don't know, what is affiliate marketing? It's simply promoting somebody else's product for a commission. Now, the best part about affiliate marketing is you don't have to worry about creating the product, creating the sales process, doing all the refunds, doing the support. And that's the beauty of it. And this is why I believe it's the best way to quit your 9-to-5 job, because you don't have to go out and create an actual product. Because I've actually created products and it's hard. It takes time. With affiliate marketing, you could partner with multiple different companies and start getting paid literally by the end of today. Now, going back, this is just one of my income streams. I want to show you several here. This is Kartra affiliate program. As you can see, over $60,000 here. This is the System.io affiliate program, or over $46,000 here. This is the Get Response affiliate program. You can see $38,000 here. This is ClickFunnels affiliate program, over $150,000 here. This is another one called ThriveCart, as you can see, $43,000 here. This is actually ClickFunnels 2.0. This is their other software. As you can see, another $41,000 here. And I have a few more to show you here. This is Secrets of Success, basically a personal branding. It doesn't show me the full commission of how much I've made, but you can see there's literally like 16 pages of all the commissions I've received, which is super, super cool. It's such a blessing to be able to get these monthly reoccurring commissions. This is another one right here. Again, this one doesn't show the total, but you can see in the last month, this one's not a huge one, but about $360 here, which is really cool. And I've had, I know for sure, tens of thousands of dollars from this company here. And I can show you many, many more affiliate programs that I'm partnered with. As a matter of fact, I'm partnered with probably over 60 affiliate programs, but that's not what I'm here to talk to you about. What I'm here to talk to you about is the blueprint, the framework. How can you clone my exact process? That way you're able to quit your 9-to-5 job too. All right, so now I want to dive into the 10,000 foot overview of how I built this affiliate business that promotes multiple offers. Reading this from left to right, this is essentially affiliate marketing, doing it the right way. A lot of people do affiliate marketing the wrong way, but this is the right way to do it in my opinion. And I've helped over 60,000 students get started with their affiliate business. So I know for sure this is the best possible way to get started. But let me just kind of walk you through this. This is a 10,000 foot overview, and then we'll break down every single part throughout this video. But the first thing here is we got to get traffic, right? That's for any business. We got to get customers in the door. And we're going to talk about that in just a little bit. From here, we get people to an email capture page, okay? The whole purpose of this is to build our email list, okay? And then our automated emails, once we collect an email, there's an automated autoresponder or automatic email sender that'll send people emails to go buy multiple products. And I'll show you a little bit more how that works and this really cool system that does it for you, okay? But that's essentially what that is. And this is really important. This is where I would say most people don't understand, okay? You got to have an automated sales system. This is probably the most important part of the entire process, okay? Because you could send someone to any offer, but if there's no way to sell that offer, then you're not going to make any money. Now, the cool thing about affiliate products is you don't have to create this automated sales system. And I'll show you how to find the different products that have really good automated sales system, but there are offers that don't have automated sales systems, meaning you send people to the page and the people go to the page and they're like, well, what am I buying here, right? So there's got to be a way to sell the thing. And that's where I think a lot of people are missing. And this is where I'm going to break this down in depth throughout this video, okay? The last thing here we need is offers, right? We need an actual offer. We need an affiliate product that we can partner with. For me, as you can see, I promote multiple different products, okay? And that's the beauty of affiliate marketing, is you're building this email list to then promote a bunch of affiliate products, okay? Now we're going to actually start in this video from multiple offers, right? Or just an offer in general. What is an offer? What is this digital product? What's a physical product? I'll simply show you a few different ways that you can find these, okay? The first one is Amazon.com, okay? So if we go to Amazon, you'll notice that if you scroll to the bottom here, they have an affiliate program, okay? So you can see here it says become an affiliate, okay? So you can literally go to Amazon, become an affiliate, and all that means is you can now sell any of their products and you'll get a commission, okay? So, you know, this car seat here, you know, if you send someone to this car seat here and they buy this car seat through your affiliate link, then you will get paid, okay? Now, the only downside to Amazon is you get a very low commission, okay? Like less than 10 or less than 5%. So this is just an example here. Another one I just want to show you is Best Buy, okay? Best Buy also has an affiliate program, and actually most companies have an affiliate program, as a matter of fact. So if we scroll down, you'll notice typically, yeah, right here it says affiliate program here. So you can go sign up and become an affiliate for Best Buy, okay? Now I'm going to show you a few other spots here. You could simply go to Google and say top digital affiliate programs. You'll notice here, it'll give you a list of the top programs that you can promote. Now I put digital affiliate programs because I like digital products. There's typically higher margins, meaning you're going to make more money on a digital product. So software, online courses. I love digital products, and all the products that I showed you in the example, those are all digital products, okay? Because those have the best margins, typically 40, 50, 60% of the commissions, okay? But as you can see, there's a ton of different affiliate networks, affiliate programs, affiliate products that you can partner with, okay? So this is what this is, okay? Which is very, very cool. Now, one thing I want to mention about promoting an affiliate product is making sure that you're promoting something that, one, you truly believe in, right? That's going to actually help someone out, right? We don't want to just promote random things. That's the number one thing. But number two, we got to make money, right? So I love digital products. I mean, you can go find physical products, but the margins aren't there. Meaning with a digital affiliate product, you can make so much more commissions, typically because, for example, if someone is selling an online course, they don't really have much overhead on that, right? So they're able to pay their affiliates more. And that's why I love not only digital courses, but also software, right? So you'll notice in a lot of the examples I showed you, a lot of them were softwares, because softwares pay you every single month, residual income. And that's the beauty, right? When I quit my 9-to-5 job, yes, I wanted those high ticket commissions, but I also wanted that residual income. I wanted the monthly payments. Even if it was not as much money, I wanted that as a safety net. I'm going to show you kind of how I build up the monthly reoccurring revenue along with the high ticket. I love high ticket affiliate products and monthly reoccurring. Okay, those two are my secret sauce to how I built my business. All right, so the next step in this process, once we understand that we need offers, we need affiliate products, is an automated sales system. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can tap into some of the best affiliate offers out there, both with high ticket and monthly reoccurring commissions. Okay, so we'll talk about that after this. Okay, but I just want to show you how you can build kind of your own framework, right? At the end of this, I'll show you how you can clone my exact system. I just want you to understand that this will work in any niche, right? With pets and with health and fitness, with cryptocurrency, whatever affiliate products that you want to work with, this is the framework, okay? But anyways, let's go on to the next part, and that's an automated sales system. Now, it's important to understand, right? When you're selling something, obviously you need someone to sell it, right? So when you go buy a car, when you go buy, when you go to the store and go buy furniture, typically there'll be a salesperson that helps you with the sales process. They answer questions, they help you overcome objections, they show you the offers, the pricing. And the cool thing about the online space is you can automate this entire process. You don't have to go and do that. You can tap into this already done for you system. Now, let me show you an example of an automated system, right? So this is my affiliate program here. And the cool thing is when people send customers or traffic, this website is doing the selling and the telling for me, for them. And that's the beauty, right? So not only are the words on the page doing the selling, this video, which is about 18 minutes long, is actually selling the product, okay? This is very, very powerful, okay? As you can see, as you go down, there's different, you call it copywriting or words or sales letter, but whatever you want to call it, but you'll notice that the whole point of this is to get someone to buy the product, right? There's testimonials, there's all kinds of bonuses, there's a bunch of things that can help people move to buying this product, okay? And that's what I want you to understand. A lot of affiliate products don't actually have a sales process, okay? Now, typically, just so you know the terms, this can be called a VSL, it could be called a webinar, it could also be a book a call, right? So you could send someone to book a call with the customer or with the sales rep, okay? These are all sales processes. Now, you don't have to worry about this because you're an affiliate, so you don't have to go and actually do the sales, create the VSLs, create the webinars, but you need to partner with programs that have these things, okay? That's really, really important and vital, because if you're just sending someone to an affiliate offer and people don't know what they're buying, then you're not gonna make any money as an affiliate. Now, the cool thing is you can just have one sales system that promotes multiple offers. And this is where the magic starts to happen, okay? A lot of questions that I get now is like, okay, well, do I need to find a VSL for all those 60 programs that we're promoting? No, not at all. You can actually send someone to one link, and one link will actually promote all those products, okay? Let me show you how that works, okay? For example, this is the system that I'll show you here at the end more in depth, but what's really cool is you can add your affiliate links to all of these programs here. Now, these are some of the best affiliate programs that have made me hundreds of thousands of dollars. Some of these are my own programs, my own softwares. Now, the cool thing is you can go and add your affiliate link for all these different programs here, okay? There's about 15, 16. We're getting close to adding about 20 products. Now, the cool thing about this is all you have to do is add the products or add the links. Once you add the links, all you do is update here, and then the automated sales process will start to happen, okay? And I'll show you that in just a minute. But basically now what happens is we created this software that allows you to promote multiple things, okay? So what happens is there's these automated emails that send to these multiple offers, okay? So, you know, it goes to all these different offers, and that's the beauty of kind of the system that we've created, okay? But that kind of leads me to the next step in this process, right? Once you understand you need an automated sales system, the next thing you need is an email capture page. Now, in my opinion, this is super, super important because this is how you collect an email, right? What a lot of people do here is they actually send the traffic straight to the offers, and you don't want to do that, okay? Big X, big no-no, don't do that. What you want to do is you want to send them to a capture page, okay? Basically, a capture page is where you collect someone's email. Now, typically, this can be a free gift, okay? Basically, this is a gift. The whole purpose is to exchange their email for the gift you're giving them, okay? And once you do that, you build this email list, okay? You build this email list that then promotes multiple offers, okay? And that's the beauty, right? That's what I just showed you here with the multiple different products, okay? Remember I mentioned the free gift, okay? So here's an example here where I'm giving away a free course. I'm like, hey, this is the #1 way you can start a business, and I'm gonna give you a free course that shows you exactly how to get started. The cool thing is when people enter their information, it'll automatically go to your email autoresponder, okay? AKA basically your email list, okay? So this right here, okay? You start capturing these emails. Now, once you have those three things, the last thing you need is traffic or getting customers. Now, there's so many ways to get traffic. You can pay for traffic. You can go create ads on YouTube or Facebook or TikTok or Instagram, or you can create these super simple shorts on social media, such as IG Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, basically these super easy 5 to 10 second videos where you just have words on the screen and you're getting people to your email capture page. page. Now, the cool thing is people always ask, well, why are people going to go click on my link and enter an email? Well, that's the beauty of the email capture pages. Remember, we're going to give them a gift. So we're incentivizing them to go and click. That's how you can attract, right? I always call this like the lead magnet, right? So this is like a magnet here. This is attracting customer, a person to get on your list, okay? That's what this free gift is for, okay? So that's the whole point. Now, the cool thing is, remember, I'm giving them this free course, okay? This is the lead magnet. This is how I'm attracting people to come and enter their information here, okay? Now, if we go to my Instagram, here's an example here. You'll notice this is the link that I'm sending them to. So if I click on this link, it goes straight to this link here, which is the link I just showed you, okay? Now, how do I get people to that link? Well, for example, I can make videos like this where literally I'm not talking, I'm not really doing much, I'm just eating here, and I just have some text on the screen, right? There's some text that get people to want to go to my bio and click and enter their email. That's the whole purpose of this. So that's the beauty of Instagram and YouTube Shorts and Facebook, is you can create these free advertisements to get people to your email list, okay? And that's how we're getting traffic, okay? The more traffic that you can generate to this system, that's how you get to those 100K months. And the beauty of this system is we're able to promote multiple different products that pay us every single month, right? Multiple different things, as I showed you at the beginning of this video, right? All these companies here literally pay me every single month, okay? It's crazy, it's insane. I know it's beautiful, but I love it. And I wanna help you get to this exact spot, okay? So what's next? What do we have to do? We have to go and create this system here, okay? We got to go find our offers, an offer that has an automated sales system, kind of like I showed you here, where it's already an automated process to sell multiple things. You need to go and create an email capture page, which is basically this right here. Essentially, there's a lot of tools that you can use. I personally use Funnel Freedom for not only the pages, but also the emails that send automatically, okay? So I use Funnel Freedom for that. And then the last thing, of course, is you got to go and write basically hundreds and hundreds of emails that go to these multiple offers. Now, the cool thing is that you can go create this on your own, or you can also clone my exact system, okay? Now, the way my system works is we already give you the offers. So we give you the top 15, 20 offers that you go and promote. You don't have to buy the offers to promote them, but you can go be an affiliate for these offers. And then all you have to do is once you become an affiliate, you add your link to this special software, this sales system. And once you do that, it will create these pages for you. It'll create this page. And the best part about it is it'll actually create over 300 emails that send to multiple products. So the beauty of this is I've already created it for you, and all you have to do is clone the process and you can start getting traffic, okay? Now, of course, you can go build this on your own, but it is gonna take you time. It took me years and years to build this system that I'm gonna let you clone today, but I always like to show people the framework, right? I could have just led with this video and say, hey, you can come clone my system, and that's it, right? But if you don't understand the process, why we're doing what we're doing, you're not going to ever make the money that you want to make. And that's why I always lead with the skill behind how this all works, okay? So if you want to copy my exact system, I have this challenge that shows you how to do this how to do the tech, how to tap into those 15 streams of income. And the best part is, how do we tap into all those emails that are sent out automatically, okay? So that's gonna be all covered inside of the challenge, which I'll link it down below in the description. So click down below, or just say financial freedom. So say financial freedom if you're interested in getting access to this challenge. It will be in the first link down below. But I hope this video was of value, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.